Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your n8n with Claude desktop. You can use any other tools like ChatGPT, Cursor, but I'll be showing you how to connect Claude desktop. So first of all, we have this n8n MCP. So if you see the overview here, it says 525 n8n nodes from both n8n node base and n8n nodes lang chain. Then node properties, 99% coverage with detailed schemas of every available nodes in n8n. Then node operations, you can run 63.6% of coverage of available actions. So let me show you. So first of all, I will just come here and I'll run this one. You have to have the Node.js installed on your system. So I have it. I'll open up a new window of the terminal and I'll paste npx n8n MCP and then proceed. Yes. So I'm installing this MCP server from n8n to my local device. Let's see. Okay, perfect. It's running now. Documentation MCP server running. Okay, perfect. So now what I will do is I will you can have two type of configs. Basic configuration, it will just it will read the documentation and it will give you the informations. And if you want full configuration with n8n management tools, you can run operations as well, create workflows and those kind of things. So for that I will use this one, full configuration. I'll copy over, then I'll open up my Claude. After opening Claude, go to settings, Claude settings. I'll come to developer. I have this JSON MCP server. Let me just delete it and let's edit the config. So this is the file. I'll open it up on VS Code and I'll just modify this one with this, and then n8n API URL and n8n API key. So I'll go to my n8n here. I'm running this on my local server. So let's go to n8n API, create an API key, name it Claude n8n MCP. So let's copy it. I'll simply paste it here. Project. Now I have to provide the n8n API URL. So it will be your n8ninstance.com. It means I have localhost. So I will have the localhost URL and then it will be like this, localhost then API v1. Now let's save it. Then I will close Claude. I'll reopen. Let's see what happens. Showing and throwing an error. This functionality is undergoing temporary maintenance. I think it doesn't matter at the moment. Let's go to developer, Claude settings, developer. You see n8n MCP. It's running. If we see, here's my API, here's my API key. So it should be perfect now. Let's give it a try. So hey Claude, can you access my n8n? Okay, it seems like working perfect. Diagnostic, health check. Then it says perfect, I can successfully access your n8n instance. Here's what I can help you with. The workflow management, list, create, update, delete workflows. It's kind of a CRUD operation. Then validate workflow configurations, trigger workflows via webhooks, node informations, development support. Great, great. Okay, so let me ask one thing. Okay, can you please create a workflow named n8n testing? Just add some random triggers, random steps. Okay, I don't have any specific thing to tell, so let's see what it does. I'll click on done. If I go to workflows, right now I don't have anything, so let's see. I'll create a workflow called n8n testing with some. Okay, let me give permission n8n create workflow. It's using this tool. Key features. Okay, it says the workflow is created but not active. Let me just reload and see. 1 2 3. Perfect. n8n testing. Let's see if it has some steps or not. Perfect, perfect. So it automatically, so it created these steps. I didn't ask for anything. I mean, just I instructed some random steps. So it's perfectly creating the steps. So if you explain your workflow or whatever you want properly, I think it will create it for you. So it's kind of create your workflow through AI. So that's amazing. I would suggest you guys to explore this thing. See you soon. Bye.